Hello everyone and welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner for our English lesson today. Today we're going to be going over what would be called instructions in the Anton app. This English lesson is going to go over read, write, spell, then talk, say, repeat, listen, look, think, and then match, share, point, copy. So these key vocabulary words of instruction words that would be used still in the classroom. Let's go ahead and get started with the first one.
Read. Write. Spell. Spell. Write. Read.
Read the instructions on the whiteboard.
Read the instructions on the whiteboard.
Okay, Miss Jones.
Okay, Miss Jones.
Now write the date in your book.
Now write the date in your book.
Done.
Done.
Next, spell your name, please.
Next, spell your name, please.
Spell.
Spell.
Read.
Read.
Write.
Write. Read. Spell. Write.
You did it.
Next one, talk, say, repeat.
Talk. Say. Repeat. Talk. Say. Repeat.
Talk to me about school.
Talk to me about school.
I really like going to school.
I really like going to school.
Say something you like about school.
Say something you like about school.
I like my classroom.
I like my classroom.
Can you repeat that to the class?
Can you repeat that to the class?
Yes, I can. I like my classroom. The repeat, I like my classroom.
Yes, I can. I like my classroom.
Talk.
Talk.
Say.
Say.
Repeat.
Repeat. Talk. Say. Repeat.
The next one is listen, look, think. Okay, everybody, listen carefully.
Okay, everybody, listen carefully.
I'm listening.
I'm listening.
Great. Look at the question on the whiteboard.
Great. Look at the question on the whiteboard.
I'm looking.
I'm looking.
Think about how to answer this question.
Think about how to answer this question.
Think,
think,
look,
look,
listen.
listen,
Look,
어,
look,
think,
에,
think,
listen.
어, 에, 스, 에,
listen. Listen to the instructions.
Listen to the instructions.
Think about your answer.
Think about your answer.
Look at your book.
Look at your book.
Think. Look. Listen.
Our last one is match, share, point, copy.
Match. Share. Point. Copy. Match. Share. Point. Copy. Point. Copy. Match. Share.
Match.
아, 치,
Match.
Share.
시, air,
Share.
Point.
oi,
Point.
Copy.
아, 이,
Copy.
Match the word to what it means.
Okay, done.
Good work. Now share your answer with your partner.
Look at the laptop. Point at the correct answer.
I think this is the correct answer.
Well done. Now copy that answer down.
Copy. Share. Point. Match.
Thank you everyone for joining me for another English lesson. We did vocabulary words in the classroom again, but this one pertaining to instructions. I'm Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, wishing you a fantastic rest of your day and hoping that you will share this video with someone that it would benefit. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.